Now students, our next topic is the refractive index. This one is the very much important topic according to the refraction that we have seen. You know that the light is going to change its medium and accordingly it is going to change its speed. So here if we say that medium 1 and medium 2, there are two mediums, and here the medium 1, let's suppose it is the rarer medium, and medium 2 is the denser medium. So when the light is going from the rarer to the denser, so it is obviously going to bend towards the normal, that I have told you. Now what if we are going to change these two? Let's suppose here the denser medium is the medium 1 and the rarer medium will be the medium 2. So accordingly now it should be going like here. If it is coming like this, it should be going away. Okay, so that is okay. If in case medium 1, in first case it is a rarer medium, so let us take it as air, and the medium 2, that is the denser one, so let me take it as water. So here you know that if the light ray is going from the medium 1 to medium 2, that is rarer to the denser, it is going to bend itself towards the normal. So that is true. But what if I am changing this one as the honey? Not like water, but as the honey. So will it going to trace the same path that is happened in case of water? Will it going to bend with the same angle that is happened in the water? No. In case of honey, it is going to be different. So that is why here we are introduced with this refractive index, that is the ratio of the angle I and angle R with the sine theta. Okay, so you know that angle I is the angle of the incident ray with the normal, and the angle of refraction is the angle of refracted ray and the normal, angle between refracted ray and the normal. So when we are going to take their sines, okay, sine I and sine R, this is going to give you one number, and that number is the index number of a particular medium, and according to which the light is going to change its path obliquely in that particular medium. Yes, this is true, students. So here the refractive index means how slow light is traveling in one medium compared to another, or we can say how fast it is going. Like if it is traveling from denser to rarer, it is going to be fast. So what change occurred in the speed of the light according to the medium is known as the refractive index of that medium. So this is what refractive index work, and this is the number. So there is a particular list of a number that is going to be shown, that this is going to change according to this or this or this. So it is not like this here in this example, as I have told you that medium 1 is air. Does it always be air or anything else? Like if I want to take medium 1 as a water and medium 2 as a honey, let's suppose, then still it is going to change its path according to the density of the medium. From water to honey, again it is going to bend towards the normal accordingly, and this is going to change because here the speed is going to change. But like when the light ray is bending from the air to the water, it is not going to same in case of water to honey. Okay, so here we are having different index number accordingly. Okay, so this is refractive index, and according to the this medium, the two mediums, you can just find out what is the refractive index and how much it is going to bend. So let us see now how it is going to occur. Let's suppose we need to find a refractive index of a medium 2, any medium, like you can take any example here, medium 2 with just a name, with respect to medium 1. Let's suppose I want to take the refractive index of honey, कि honey के अंदर light का bending कितना होगा if I want to compare it with the water. Okay, that is okay. So medium 1 would be water and medium 2 would be honey, because I want to find out the amount of honey, amount of light bending in the honey with comparison of the water. Okay, so that is why here we have to keep the formula like this. If you cannot find sine and sine angles of each and everything, but you can find the speed of the mediums. So speed of light could be the formula. There is two formulas. One with respect to the sine, you can find out with the help of taking the angles measurement and putting their sine values and just find the refractive index. But there is another easy method to find out the refractive index of one medium according to the speed of light. So here we want to find out the refractive index of medium 2. So whatever you want to find out, students, just make sure that you need to keep the speed of that medium inside the denominator, like in the denominator part. Whatever जिससे हमें कंपेयर करना है उसको हम ऊपर रखते हैं. लाइक हमें वाटर से कंपेयर करना है तो हम यहाँ वाटर की स्पीड, वाटर में लाइट की स्पीड क्या होगी, we will put it here. And we need to find it out for honey. So honey को आपको नीचे रखना पड़ेगा, ओके, कि हनी में लाइट की स्पीड कितनी है. So जिसका फाइंड करना होता है वो नीचे रखना, क्योंकि ये मिस्टेक बहुत स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं दैट दे कीप विद रिस्पेक्ट to as a priority. So with respect to means that it comes to the denominator part. So this is the wrong answer, students. So make sure you are not going to do that mistake. Here when you want to find the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1, so put medium 1 on the top and medium 2 on the denominator part. Okay, and here this could be the like symbol logo, like this refractive index. As I have made a refractive index logo here also, but this is also like written in books like this theta sign. So this one is again the refractive index sign. So here you know that it is going from, light is delivered from, you need to find it with respect to. So you need to find the refractive index of 2. Refractive index of 2 with respect to 1. So we can put 1 after and then 2 is here. Now if I want to find the refractive index of the next opposite, like from refractive index of 1 with respect to 2. Okay, so what we are going to do in this case? In this case, what we will do? We will keep the refractive index of medium 2 on the numerator part and medium 1 on the denominator part. Like अगर मुझे हनी का नहीं, मुझे वाटर का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स फाइंड करना होता, लेकिन किससे कंपैरिजन में? हनी के कंपैरिजन में. Then I have to put the honey on the top and the speed of light in water at the denominator part.